Okay. So let us start. So, good morning. So let us write. Yes, ask the question. Everything. Now n is natural number. Natural number. We have seen natural number or counting number. Write down. Natural number or counting number. That is n. We start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dash, 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 so on. So what? Write down this. Then we have studied whole numbers. Natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Whole numbers we have studied. That is W. We start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then dash, dash, dash. So 0 is the smallest whole number, 1 is the smallest natural number. So we have seen up to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will study set of integers. Set of integers. Now what is that? You have seen your number line. Correct? Now this is my left side and this is my right side of the number line. Then in the center of this number line you have 0. Draw this. In the center of this number line we have 0. Correct? In the center of this number line we have 0. Now 0 has no sign. We don't show 0 has no sign. Then when you move from 0 to the right, in this, yes. A new chapter, integers. Yes, everything should be written. Yes. Then when you move from yes, my dear, everything should be written. In wordings also you have to write. Yes. Set of integers. Now no more question. Please mute the microphone. Let me start. Now no more question. No, nothing should be asked. Let me start. At the last 1 minute I will give you time to ask. Now set of integers. We have the number line. This is my left side. This is my right side. When you move from 0 to the right, mute the microphone. Please. 1, 2, 3, mute the microphone, 4, 5, dash, dash, dash. Mute the microphone, otherwise I will remove. Mute the microphone. What is the name? Yes, let me remove. Not admit him for 1 week. Then when you move from 0 to the right, we get the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 means it is plus 1. 1 means it is plus 1. 2 means it is plus 2. 3 means it is plus 3. 4 means it is plus 4. 5 means it is plus 5. Yes, mute the microphone. Then when you move from 0 to left, you get negative integer. Minus 1, minus 2, till 5 it is sufficient. Minus 5, dash, dash, dash. We write dash, dash. So we have seen the number. Mute the microphone. So we have seen the number minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and dash, dash, dash. So this minus, Please mute the microphone, my dear. -1, -2, -3, -5. See, if talking will go on, I will remove both the person. It is enough. -1, -1, -2. Who's there? Just please tell me the name. 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, chalo. Now, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, whichever number have minus sign, they are called negative integers. They are called negative integers. Negative integers. And whichever number have plus sign, this zero will not come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Whichever number have plus sign or no sign, they are called positive integers. They are called positive integers. Yes, my voice is audible to all of you? Okay. So whichever numbers have negative sign, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, they are negative integers because they have minus sign. And whichever integer have no sign or plus sign, 1 means +1, 2 means +2, 3 means +3, 4 means +4, 5 means +5. They are called positive integers. So in integers you have negative integers and positive integer. This zero is neither positive nor negative. This zero we write neither positive. Zero is neither positive nor negative. We don't write +0 or -0. We simply write 0. So 0 is neither positive nor negative. Yes. So 0 has no sign. 0 is neither positive nor neither plus means positive. Yes, that only. Yes. Now mute the microphone. Plus means positive, minus means negative. So 0 is neither positive nor negative. Let us write the first point. Let us write the first point. No sign means no sign of 1, 2, 3, 4, dash means plus sign. No sign of this number 1, 2, 3, 4 means plus sign. So that is +1, +2, +3, +4, so on. If there is no sign of 1, 2, 3, 4, we take them as plus sign. Then second point, whenever two integers have positive sign, two integers, whenever two integers have plus sign, the integer with bigger number, zero, I have written neither, NEITHER, neither positive nor negative. Plus means positive, minus means negative. Whenever two integers have plus sign, then the integer with yes. The integer with bigger number, whenever two integers have plus sign, then the integer with bigger number, will be bigger. Whenever two integers have positive sign, plus sign, then the integer with bigger number will be bigger. For example, one, two, three, four. No sign of 1, 2, 3, 4 dash 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 means plus sign. 1 there is no sign. 1 there is no sign means it is plus 1. 2 there is no sign means it is plus 2. 3 plus 3. Numbers. Yes. 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 Example, plus 2. Plus 2 is less than plus 7. Whenever two integer have plus sign, now this integer 2 has plus sign and this integer 7 has plus sign. Whenever both the integer have same sign plus, then the integer with bigger number will be bigger. So 7 is bigger than 2. So plus 2 is less than plus 7. Yes. Whenever two integer have plus sign, then the integer with bigger number will be bigger. Whenever two integers have plus sign, then the integer with bigger number will be bigger. Okay. Whenever two integer have plus sign, then the integer with bigger number will be bigger. Then third point. Yes, I have written 2 plus 2. Whenever two integers have plus sign, then the integer with bigger number will be bigger. So you can write 2. 2 is less than 7 because both of them have plus sign. Then, my dear, anyone use any highlight. You can use highlighter. Whenever two integers, that you decide, my dear. Do not ask such question. Whenever two integers have minus sign, then the integer with bigger number, integer with bigger number will be smaller. The integer with bigger number will be smaller. Whenever both of them has minus sign, bigger number will be smaller. Whenever both of them has minus sign. Plus 2, example, plus 2 is less than plus 7 because both of them has plus sign. So whenever both the integer have plus sign, which number is bigger? 7 is bigger. So plus 2 will be less than plus 7. And whenever two integer have minus sign, I have written 2 less than 7. Whenever two integer have negative sign, let us take minus 2 and minus 7. Now both the integer have minus sign. Negative. Both the integer have minus sign. So in negative integers, the integer with bigger number, 7 is bigger. So this minus 7 will be smaller. Whenever they have negative sign, then the number which is bigger, that integer will be smaller. We can take one more example. Opposite. See, in positive number, the number will be bigger, the integer will be bigger. But in negative integer, the number will be bigger, the integer will be smaller. That's all. In negative integer, the number is bigger, the integer will be smaller. For example, minus 7, and we write minus 5. Now both are negative, minus minus. 7 is bigger, so minus 7 will be smaller. 7 is bigger, so minus 7 will be smaller. Okay. Let us solve. Yes, yes, yes. My dear, do not, yes, yes. What you want to say, absolutely it is correct. In positive integer, if the integer have plus sign, both have plus sign, if the number is bigger, that integer will be bigger. In negative integer, if the number is bigger, the integer will be smaller. That's all. Okay? So negative it is reverse. In positive it is in the same direction. So based on this, let us solve our exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Give the opposite of. First, give the opposite of. Give the opposite of. Yes, no problem. Look into it. Give the opposite of. First, depositing. This question I am going to give homework. Depositing 1,500 rupees. 1,500 rupees in the bank account. Depositing 1,500 rupees in the bank account. You have to write opposite of this. So what is opposite of deposit? Withdraw. So it will be withdrawing 1,500 rupees from the bank account. So this will be homework. One will be homework complete. So I am only writing the question, my dear. You have to write down opposite. Opposite. What is opposite of depositing? Withdrawing. Opposite. Yes. No, entire sentence. You will replace depositing by withdrawing. Withdrawing 1,500 rupees in the bank account, from the bank account. That's all. Full sentence. Decrease. Yes. Decrease of 5 marks. Write down. Decrease of 5 marks. What is opposite of decrease? Increase of 5 marks. Homework. Yes. Now going 8 kilometer. Going 8 kilometer. I am writing the question. Towards east. Going 8 kilometer toward east. What is opposite of east? No, my dear. No, you are absolutely wrong. See, going 8 kilometer toward east. This is my east, my dear. This is my east. This is my west. Opposite of east is west. So going 8 kilometer towards east will be same as going. You will not be going. Coming you will not write coming. Going 8 kilometer toward west. Going. Yes. See, I will. No. Please, all of you mute the microphone first. First, mute the microphone. My dear, I have written homework, so it is understood it is homework. Why you are asking such question again and again? I am telling you, first one is entire homework. Easy question. Full question. D. Leave one line. Moving 3 steps. Moving 3 steps to the left of 0. Moving 3 steps to the left of 0. Mute the microphone. To the left of 0. To the left of 0 on the number line. To the left of 0 on the number line. Yes. Now. Draw the number line. Please mute the microphone. I do not want to discuss. Nothing discussion. Yes, right. I'm losing. Write down first. Losing weight of 9 kg. Yes, my dear. Losing weight of. Everyone is homework. In one, I have given complete homework. So everything is homework. You have to write down the opposite. F. Profit of rupees 150. Yes, my dear. My dear, you have to change the whole sentence. No, meaning should be opposite. That's all. English you have learned how to write down the opposite sentence. Then 5 degree below. Everything 5 degree below freezing point. Immediately I will erase. So do not take much more time in writing. 5 degree below freezing point. H. No, do not draw. In the answer you draw. H. 200 meter below. I do not want the answer. 200 meter below sea level. 200 meter below sea level. We do not want. Yes, leave one line. No, leave one line. My dear, you leave one line. No, that you decide. No. Increase in population. Immediately I am going to erase. You keep on asking the question. Increase in population. I did not ask the answer. That you have to write, my dear. Okay. So all are homework. Up to I, all are homework. You have to write down the opposite. You have to write down the opposite of this. Okay. You have to write down the opposite of this sentence. All are easy. You can write the opposite. Leave one line gap for the answer. Ask the doubt. Yes. My dear, see, this is the sea level. It will be 200 meter below, so it will be 200 meter above. What is opposite of below? Above. That's all. Okay. Draw the diagram. No harm. For your better understanding, draw the diagram. Now, second, indicate the following. Now, if you draw the diagram, it will be well and good. Indicate the following. I will write excellent work. Indicate the following by using integers. Indicate the following by using integers. You focus on writing. Indicate the following by using integers. Now, first question: 5 degree above 0. A. 5 degree above 0. 5 degree above 0. Correct? So this is my 0. 5 degree above. 5 degree above. So there is increase or decrease? Tell me. There is increase or decrease? There is increase or decrease? Increase. So I will write plus 5 degree. I will write plus 5 degree. That is the answer. 5 degree above 0 means I will write plus 5 degree. My degree, you have to write down this sentence in the word. So 5 degree above 0, this is my 0. 5 degree above means there is an increase of 5 degree. For increase we use the symbol plus, that's all. Above means increase. For so this is yes, so this is answer is plus 5 degree. Answer is plus 5 degree. Integers, yes, using integers, no. Means you have to write down that in the word. Loss of weight of 4 kg. Loss of weight of 4 kg. Loss of weight of 4 kg. So there is a loss of weight. Loss means minus sign. So we write minus 4 kg. Minus 4 kg. That's all. Minus 4 kg. then 100 meter above sea level. 100 meter. Yes, mute the microphone, my dear. 100 meter above sea level. 100 meter above sea level. 100 meter above. Above means increase. Mute the microphone. I am telling you are not listening to me. First you show the obedience, my dear. 100 meter. Nobody will tell me the answer. 100 meter above sea level. You can write the answer and show it to me afterwards. 100 meter above sea level. This is my sea level. This is my sea level. 100 meter above. So there is an increase. When we move up, it is increased. When we move down, it is decreased. So what you write? Plus 100 meter. You will write plus 100 meter. Okay? No discussion. Now D is deposit of. Now let us see. Deposits of rupees 5,000. Deposit of rupees 5,000 in the bank account. Deposit of rupees 5,000 in the bank account. When we do the deposit, means there is an increase in the account. So we write plus rupees 5,000. Plus rupees 5,000. Deposit means there is an increase in the amount. When you withdraw, there is a decrease in the amount. Okay, I am writing the answer. E 326 BC. E 326 BC is, yes, E is 326 BC. Okay? Yes. 326 BC means it is minus 326. 326 BC means it is minus 320. Then 20 kilometer north. 20 kilometer north. What you will write? 20 kilometer north. F. Plus 20 kilometer. Yes, my dear. North is up. Very good. 20. My dear, why you are asking? You write this. No, you see whether. It is 5,000 only, my dear. I'll let it be. My dear, 500. You take 500. What is 100? I can write one more. But that value will change in the actual real life. Then 20 kilometer north. Okay, very good. 20 kilometer north. If you see the direction, this is my north. Upper one is north. Downward is south. Correct? So when it is where it is moving, 20 kilometer upward. So it is plus 20 kilometer. It will be plus 20 kilometers. Suppose it is 20 kilometers south, then minus because we are moving downward. Then winning the match by 14 runs. Winning the match by 14. Winning the match by 14 runs. Winning the match by 14 runs, so it is plus 14. Suppose it is losing the match by 14 runs, then minus 14. Yes, mute the microphone. 20% decrease. 20% decrease in the price. 20% decrease in the price. So there is a decrease of 20. Decrease means minus 20%. Decrease means minus. Increase in temperature by 3 degrees Celsius. Increase in temperature by 3 degrees Celsius. Increase in temperature by 3 degrees Celsius. Plus. Increase means plus. Decrease means minus. Above means plus. Below means minus. North means plus. South means minus. Right means plus. Left means minus. All this you have to remember. Increase in temperature by 3 degrees Celsius. Increase in temperature. Increase in temperature. Increase in temperature by 3 degrees Celsius. 3 degrees Celsius. So it is increase. So we write plus 3 degrees Celsius. Mute the microphone. Who is doing that? Yes. J. Fall in temperature by 2 degrees Celsius. Fall in temperature. Fall in temperature. Fall in temperature by 2 degrees Celsius. Fall in temperature means minus 2 degrees Celsius. It is fall. So fall in temperature means 2 degrees, minus 2 degrees Celsius. Now third question, write all the integers between the given pairs. Write all the integers between the given pairs. Between the given pairs. Okay? Yes, mute the microphone, my dear. Question number 3. Yes, mute the microphone. Everything I am making clear. Now third one, write all the integers. Write all the integers. Write all the integers between the given pairs. Between. It is between. Remember, my dear. It is between the given pairs. Between the given pairs. It is between. So let me explain what they mean by between. First it is 0 and minus 5. 0 and minus 5. 0 and minus 5. Now see, remember this. Whenever this word is between, between means we exclude. Write down this. We exclude. Exclude means omit. We exclude the end numbers. Whenever this word is there, between means we exclude the end numbers. Whenever this word between is there means we exclude the end numbers. So now we see the number line. We can see the number line. This is my 0 and this is minus 5. Correct? So this side negative. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Now where are the integers 0 and minus 5? Everything is clear. This is my 0 and this is minus 5, correct? Left side minus. So between means we exclude. Minus 5 is excluded, 0 is excluded. Between means we exclude the end numbers. This you remember, my dear. X means remove or omit. X means cancel the end number. Yes. So now what are the integers between 0 and minus 5? The integers are minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. But it is my dear between. Between means you have to exclude end numbers. This I have to exclude. This I have to exclude. So these are the integers between minus 5 and 0. So we write integers. Write on this. Integers between. You can. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. This is the answer. Between means you have to exclude the end numbers. You can write the answer directly, no problem. Yes, my dear, everything what I am writing on the board, everything should be there in the notebook. Okay? Between means this. Arey, no need to copy, my dear. Copy, no, you have to write. I will not say copy. Minus 3 and 3. Minus 3 and 3. Between minus 3 and 3. See the number line. See the number line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. No, you write and show this. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And it is between. Make the number line. No? What is harm there? It is between. Between means we exclude the end numbers. This minus 3 I will exclude. And plus 3 I will exclude. Minus 3 and plus 3 I will exclude. Yes. So, it is minus 3. So, what are the integers? Integers are, yes, integers are minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Yes, mute the microphone. You are not listening what I am telling. Between means you have to exclude the end number, that's all. And in between integers we write. Mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. You are not mute the microphone and keep on disturbing the class. And if I will take some action, then you will keep on telling me. Next is minus 4 and minus 10. Chalo, see. Minus 4 and minus 10. First we plot these two number minus 4 and minus 10 on the number line. So this is my 0. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. We know that minus 4 and minus 10 are negative. So I will plot them on left side. Minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. My dear, what you are talking, huh? What you are, see, what you are talking. If I will report this to the school, definitely some action school will take. The kind of language you are doing our class, it is highly not possible. Please behave in a decent way. Yes. No, it is not allowed, my dear. It is not allowed. You have to mute the microphone. Okay? Now between minus 4 and minus 10. This is my minus 4. It is not allowed, my dear. The way your disturbance is minus 4. No need of that. Minus 4 and minus 10, we omit the end numbers. So what are the integers? Minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4. But it is between minus 4 and minus 10. So I will exclude the end numbers. I will exclude the end numbers. What are the integers left? So integers are minus 8. Integers are minus 8, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5. Yes. Write on this. You write down. Yes, you write down. Now wait. Now D part is 7 and 15. 7 and 15. 7 and 15 homework. D part. Then E part is 0 and 6 homework. 0 and 6 homework. Okay. So these two D and E are homework. You have to mute the microphone, my dear. The kind of wordings I heard, it is not acceptable. Chalo. Okay. Now we stop here. Chalo. Bye.